Hey guys and girls, so just out here painting my garage today, and I just wanted to go over some techniques that work for me. So we've got the small, they're 4-inch roller, trim roller. You can see that it's got some pretty good pile on it, so it's good for holding oil or latex based paints. What I have here is an oil based paint, as you can see, and sometimes these are called an Alkyd paint. You can see right there, Alkyd. They're harder to find now. You have to go to paint suppliers a lot of times to find these. I like it for exterior use, especially the semi-gloss. Stands up better to the weather, and it does hide a little bit of mistakes. Now, putting on oil-based paint is a lot more difficult than latex paint, but I'll just show you the technique that works for me. So I've gotten up to this panel here, as you can see, and I like to adjust the door up and down. There's no point in slouching, crouching, or reaching. So all we do, load up the roller. I like to start with the perimeter first. Sorry, I should have put this on a tripod or something, but I'm pretty new to YouTube and just trying to put some videos out there that might help people. So I like to load up pretty good for that middle panel. As you can see, there's a fair amount in there, and that's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to just carry that past. And as you can see, fills in all that detail really nice. This is the second coat that I've done. I did do some cutting in originally around the corners to get in there. And then I just like to go across the whole panel, and it smooths everything out. Any little minor imperfections just get smoothed right away. And if you want to, you can always follow up around the perimeter. But as you can see, beautiful. No need for brushes, no need for any extra work. Just grab your roller, do it properly, and you'll be happy with the process and the end result. Until the next time, guys and girls, take her easy.